Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Printify catalog in variants with WooCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Printify catalog in variants with WooCommerce, start by logging into your WooCommerce account. Next, navigate to the Printify dashboard. Locate the section labeled My Stores. Click on your connected WooCommerce store. Then, select Products from the Printify dashboard menu. Here, you'll see a list of your existing products. To update a specific product, click on its name. You will then see the product's details. To change the product's variants, scroll down to the Variants section. Make the necessary adjustments to the available options. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click the Save button. Now, to sync these updates with WooCommerce, find the Publish button. Click on it to push the updates to your WooCommerce store. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the product has been successfully updated. You can also refresh your WooCommerce products page to verify the changes. For bulk updates, select multiple products in the Printify dashboard. Then, use the Bulk Actions drop-down to update or publish. Ensure your sync settings are configured properly for automatic updates. After completing the updates, monitor your WooCommerce store for accuracy. Finally, consider checking inventory and pricing to ensure everything aligns with your business strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.